Crypto's worst 6 months and Bitcoin miner revenues slide. You're watching CoinDesk Daily. I'm your host, Jen Sanasie. Has crypto experienced its worst 6 months yet? Crypto investors lost more than $2.1 billion to hacks and exploits in the first half of 2025, marking the worst 6-month period on record for crypto security and an indication of some nation-states intensifying their cyber campaigns in the crypto space. That's all according to a report by TRM Labs. Researchers say North Korean-linked groups are responsible for $1.6 billion, or 70% of all stolen funds this year. Earlier this year, Bybit was hacked for $1.5 billion, the largest crypto theft in history. The attack is believed to have been carried out by North Korea. Bitcoin miner revenues have slid to their lowest levels in 2 months, but there's still no sign of forced selling, even as profitability falls. Daily mining revenue dropped to $34 million on June 22nd, the weakest since April, and among the lowest levels over the past year, according to CryptoQuant. The drop comes as transaction fees decline and Bitcoin hovers near local lows, reducing overall incentives for miners to stay online.
Is the Layer 1 landscape saturated? Bahamut Blockchain offers a fresh perspective, aligning validator economics with real usage. Discover Bahamut's new approach to validator rewards in our CoinDesk Research's latest report. In it, we explore their novel proof of staking and activity consensus mechanism, an activity-weighted validator scoring system. Go to coindesk.com/research to read more about the Bahamut blockchain.
And speaking of weak, Bitcoin is on track to record its weakest monthly performance in a year amid a puzzling mix of consistent spot ETF inflows and signs of on-chain selling by whales and small wallets. U.S. spot exchange traded funds have continued to see strong uptake, registering $3.9 billion in net inflows in consecutive weeks, while on-chain data sourced from Glassnode paints a less rosy picture. Holders with balances between 10 and 10,000 Bitcoin are fluctuating between buying and selling, indicating that they're more opportunistic traders rather than consistent buyers or sellers. And whales holding 10,000 Bitcoin or more are leaning towards distributing their holdings, while smaller holders are also net sellers. As of this morning, Bitcoin was hovering around $107,000. That's it for CoinDesk Daily. Get more updates on CoinDesk.com, and we'll see you next time.